Hi guys, I wanted to come to you today with my update on my rolling pan project. It's a 5-pan rolling project. I had 5 items in it and I've already used one of them up. I shot this video last weekend or the weekend before and I messed up the video. I've been sick the last couple of days. Today's the first day back to work, so I'm gonna try to shoot this. I messed up the videos last week. This weekend wasn't a go, and so I'm gonna try to get this video out, and then I'll get my empties, beauty empties, wax empties, and we'll go from there. So I did finish one product from the first set of 5, and I finished the one thing I wanted to finish most out of anything, and it was the Yves Saint Laurent Forever Youth Liberator water and oil. And this was the $140 oil that I got while I was on my New York City trip. And if you want to know whether or not it is worth $140, no, it is not. So, but I did get through that whole thing and I was very happy to do that. I just put it to the side and didn't use it, and then once I got on my kick of going through my inventory, then I started using it. So I used that up. Another thing that I've been wanting to use up is another Yves Saint Laurent product that I got at the same time, and I set it up next to the camera so that you could see. I am now down to right here is where the foundation is at. It was full and I've got it down to that point. I've been using it every day for the last month, ever since I started this project. There may have been a couple of days that I didn't use it, but for the most part I did, so I am right there right now. Before that it was full, it was up in this range. I'd only used it a couple of times before that. So I still have that to work on. The other product that I had in here was the Tata Harper Illuminating Moisturizer. And it was down here almost full. I had used it maybe once or twice, and now the product, when you use this pump, it has a hinge right here and it pulls it up. So this moves up as you use it up. So the bottom of it is right here or right here. I'm not really sure, but basically I've got about that much more to use. So I use it under my foundation, and it's an illuminating moisturizer. I don't notice that it's that illuminating, but I wanted to try this. This was a free thing that I got for spending $25 or $35 at Sephora. So it was a Tata Harper. That's an expensive brand, so I wanted to try something. So I want to get through this. The other thing, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah. The other thing I've been wanting to use up is this Laura Mercier African Violet. It's a single eyeshadow, and there was just a little bit of pan before, and now you see there is a lot of pan. So I want to use this down here and most of this up. I don't want to get it, when it gets to the sides where it would tear my brush up, I'm not going to do that, but I have this in the palette in there as well. So I am making progress on this. So I'm happy about that one as well. So I am making progress. And then I have used this 5 or 6 times this last month, and it's the Tarte Maracuja Lip Exfoliant, and I've been using it. It's down to here. It was pretty full when I started using it, but I've got it down to that point at this point. So I'm really happy about that. Hopefully I will get this one done soon. And then the fact that I was going to shoot this last week or the week before, I don't even know when I shot it, I was going to put in, after I used this up, this was full. Well, almost full. I had used it some. And it's the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Face Cream, and it's like this Tata Harper product. I got it as a perk for, you know, spending $25, $35. And so I wanted to use it up because, again, it's an expensive, you know, from an expensive line like this, and I wanted to use it to see what it was like. And I don't know if you can see, but I am almost halfway done with this. I've got a pretty good dent in it. So I've been using this pretty good since last week. So this will be going pretty soon. So I'm hoping a couple of these things, at least these 2 things, will be going. But so I have these original four, the Laura Mercier, the Tata Harper, the Tarte Maracuja Oil, and the Yves Saint Laurent products. And then I have the Bobbi Brown that I added, and I'm down one product. So yay! This is probably the most expensive product I have in my collection, so I'm glad that it was used all the way up, it did not run, and it is out of my collection, and we're on to new things. So I just wanted to give you an update on my 5-pan rolling project. If you have any questions or comments, if you're doing this, let me know down below in the comments. I would love to know. If you would like to subscribe, please do. I would love to have you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.